Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the analog incentivized testnet. This is phase 2 of their testnet. As the first phase was for developers only. Now they have opened it to a broader market. So now anyone can participate. There are some social or community tasks as well as developer tasks. We've completed a few of them, but there are some that still need to be finished and some that I'm just not able to complete, but you may be able to complete. So this is free and easy to join. If you're a developer, this is great to get experience on how to build on the blockchain. So before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Like from these incentivized testnets. Some of them are a little bit more technical than others. Analog seems to be the case, which is more focused on developers. But there are some community tasks or social tasks that you can do. And there's a leaderboard and all kinds of fun stuff. So getting involved for free is the best way to go. And if you ever need any help navigating these quests or campaigns or these testnets, please jump in the Discord description below, and we will help you along your crypto journey. So let's dive in, see what we got to do to complete some of these tasks in the analog incentivized testnet. So this phase puts the power of our tools in your hands. Whether you're a Web3 enthusiast, social media guru, or love supporting innovative projects, here's your chance to earn a share of analog airdrop. So how does it work? On phase 2, follow Analog on X, join social channels, like and repost, watch tutorials, participate in a watch game, voting session, and surprise tasks. So and there's also a Galaxy campaign that you can come in the incentivized testnet, complete this stuff, and you can get your points. Now, onto the incentivized testnet. So testnet.analog1.com. Analog.1, my apologies. So this is where you go and sign up. Here's your little account and the home interface. These are your points. You can get tokens from the testnet faucet here. You do need to get on the Discord and get stuff from the testnet. So you will need to set up another wallet. And so one of these wallets, I recommend the Polkadot. They do have a Chrome and Firefox add-on, but I have that wallet somewhere around here. Polkadot. Yeah, right here. I'm gonna move a lot of these. So the Polkadot. So what you'll do is install this. I'll look for a good video on how to set up your Polkadot wallet, and I'll link it in the description below. But you'll get a Polkadot wallet, and what we will do, go back to the faucet right here. Okay, now go to their Discord channel. I don't know if I'm still in the Discord or not. But anyways, so navigate to the developer tab and select utilities. Oh. I actually think you can just go to their Discord. I'm not in their Discord right now, but go to their Discord, find the faucet channel, and then enter the exclamation mark faucet, and then your wallet address. So you want it to look like this, and your wallet address will be up here. See this long number? It'll be right there. And then once you get your testnet tokens, you'll be able to come in here. And I think they give you ATP points already if you by completing certain tasks in here. So sign up with your email, get 1 point. These are all community tokens. And when you participate in the Galaxy campaign, you complete these and you'll get points allocated to this. You get up to 11. And D-mail is coming soon. That's another one where it's easy. You just send a decentralized email. Participate in a watch game voting session. If you look over here to the left, you can check out the watch game. I don't know what the deal is with this, but yeah, you can check out, start voting. So there's price feeds, I guess, and you can vote. So let's see here. Next. So I voted on one earlier. I'm not sure how. I think I've already voted, so that's why. But you can come in here and vote and then complete that quest. It's all about, like, this is a data feed, layer 0 data feed. So you're essentially interacting with a lot of blockchains. If your vote wins a voting session, so one of these watch games that you vote in, if it wins, you get that reward. And you can create your own watch game too. So you can get points for getting a reward when your view gets shortlisted on here, or you get points for winning a voting session. So I'm not sure how to create a voting session. Go here. I don't have a referral link yet. Okay, that's my referral link if you want to sign up. I'll put it in the link. We'll go back to quests. And now they have developers stuff. So sign in with your Substrate wallet. That's where you sign in with your Polkadot.js. And you'll connect your Substrate wallet on the watch. So basically, you're just going through and setting up that wallet. I'll put a link to that below. Generate an API key. Okay, we'll gotta click on this. So this is where you'll connect your wallet. Polkadot. Yes. Say I'm not a developer, and there you go. Now we can go to our profile. And API keys right here. I just want to make sure that I'm not showing anything funky. Yeah, go there and you can create an API key. Or you can just add API key. And say analog 1. And then generate your key. And put in your address. And you will create your API key. Then you can do that. That will be done. You can go to smart contracts. Where are we at? We'll connect Polkadot. So, okay, you can list your smart contract here. So going back to the analog watch, whenever you create a smart contract, let's say you can go to remix.ethereum.org and come here to File Explorer. Once you sign in, go over here to Contracts, double click this Hello World, and it'll open up right here. You can compile, run script, and it's just a simple Hello World, simple code. Now what we want to do over here is deploy and run contract. Change this to your Rabby wallet or your MetaMask wallet. That way it shows your address and it's linked. So that way we can deploy our contract on Ethereum. There you go. We're deploying our contract on the Ethereum Sepolia network. And that will be one of these tasks. List your smart contract. And also to deploy on both the Sepolia and Shibuya testnets. I'm not sure exactly how to do these, but we'll take a look. Take a look and see. Transaction is pending. Okay, view on Etherscan. So Etherscan will show you your transaction. Okay, this is the contract that was created. We will copy this contract address, paste it right here, and then the identifier. Not sure exactly what the identifier. We'll figure this out. We'll figure this out. So I'm actually not sure what the identifier is. So let's see, build and deploy a view. See if we can do this one. So let's see, smart contract. We'll do Ethereum. Token. We're gonna test this. We'll build test query, name of this query, test build 1. I'm just gonna do a fun little query with these couple things and then see if that will give us the verification we need. If not, yeah, I don't know what the identifier is. If anyone has a good idea, let me know. That would be great. And deploy view. Test build 1. Ethereum. ERC20. There we go. Test build 1. Next. This is a test build contract for Ethereum. Apolia. We're just gonna submit. I'm just gonna. It doesn't really matter what that's for. You're just testing the features. I don't really care if mine's added to the short list. If it is, that'd be cool. But it's just a couple of little pieces of code. Doesn't really matter right at this point. If you're a developer, you want to get more into this on building the smart contract, then go for it. But for my case right now, I'm just through and testing this out. So let's see if we build and deploy a view as confirmed. Developer. Nope. Oh, submit a view for a watch game. Okay. That's interesting. So I got one of them, but I didn't get the other. And then you get other rewards by having your views seen by other users. And you can submit feedback regarding the user experience. You can query a unique view, query a view, and share your feedback through Discord or this form. You can get 15 points for doing that. Okay, so that's a lot of... Okay, so go to watch.testnet.analog1 and doesn't say. Okay, so you have to have the watch SDK. That's more in depth than I'm trying to get into. So you can, if you're a developer, you can go in there and get that cracking. That's a lot more than this video going to dive into, but let's see if we can't get at least some other stuff. Yeah, submit your feedback if you can query some of this stuff. Build and deploy smart contract. I'm not to that depth with this, so that will be up to you to do that. Okay, look at that. We got it. So just give it a minute and you can complete those two. Now you can also sponsor or fund a unique view. I guess somewhere in here you can fund or sponsor. Maybe in the library. Come in here. Oh, let's create a view. No. Yeah, it's just if you're a smart contract developer, come in here and list this. There is not really a great not a lot of great info on finding that smart contract identifier. Choose. Okay, run this code. Identifier. Okay, so you need to have a meaningful name for your code. Okay. So identifier. We're just gonna put one. There we go. We're gonna add our smart contract on Ethereum. Add your identifier, whatever you want to name it. Description, then add functions. Looks like you can name it whatever you want instead of it being some required. So we couldn't find the smart contract. Post the ABI there. Okay, so when you go back to Etherscan on the contract address, click on contract and then down contract ABI, go to copy, and we can go back to analog watch, paste that, next. We got it? Ooh, there we go. I'm not really sure what any of this does. So I'm not much of a coder, but yeah, there we go. You can see our smart contract. So I'm literally kind of doing this on the fly, so thank y'all for being patient. I hope this is fun for you. So there we go. We're gonna refresh this and see if we can't get a few more things going. Go to the developer, list our smart contract. So it might take a few minutes to deploy, but there we go. So you get 5 points for that. And if you can share this with another wallet and sponsor your view, you can use a secondary wallet to refer this one to, and then, you know, do the same thing, but also do the tasks like funding or sponsoring your own contract on another wallet, and that will help you. And I'm not really sure how to complete these. There are some tutorials, but it don't really dive into this. That's more in-depth, but keep trying. If you do have any questions, please jump in the Discord and reach out to me there. But with that, the blockchain report. Happy hunting, happy questing, and I will see you later, homies. Peace.